Alright guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can share your location using Leaflet, and also you can locate your location, and then also you can get the latitude and longitude and then share it or open it in Google Maps. And yeah, so that's all about this tutorial, so make sure to watch this video till the end if you want to learn how. Alright, so in order to get start with this app, so I have created this file index.html, and then here I have uh, location sharing app, and I have the basic functionality over here. I have loaded like title, and then I have loaded the leaflet css and js file, and also I have added my body style is margin and padding 0, and then map with the 100% width and 100 ps height, that means in the full extent. And I have the div element with map, and then I set my map to the zoom level latitude and longitude value of this and zoom level of 8, and I loaded the OSM map, and then I added it to the map. Don't worry about it, I'll share it in the video description. And if you did it correctly, you will be zoomed in into the Nepal, some region of Nepal, and this is your the basic map. Okay, so let's start with the location sharing app. The first thing I would like to do is I would like to add the one plugin called Leaflet has, and actually using this plugin, so you will be able to get the your latitude, longitude value and zoom level in the URL. So in order to get start with this library, so you just need to download the Leaflet has file, so which is right here. So simply click on it, and then you can download the raw file. And after downloading, so simply you can move this file to the sorry, okay, let me do it again. So here in the shared location folder, so you need to move that file over shared location. Okay, shared location. So I move that file, and then maybe I'll rename it to the leaflet has.js. So that's my file, and now you need to connect that file. So in order to connect, so maybe leaflet has, and then after that simply provide script src, and then src will be the leaflet has. That's all. And if you did it correctly, then there is nothing changed in the map. And in order to get start with this app, so you just need to provide your hash code in the script tag. So you can add your leaflet has over here, leaflet has. And now if you did it correctly, then you will get the your zoom level, latitude and longitude information in the URL. Of course, if you zoom in very closely to the particular region, your zoom level might change. And then for example, I want to share the location, my location of for example, I'm somewhere near the Holy Angle School, then I can zoom in my map to that particular location and try to center this particular area. And then I can also copy this URL and then maybe send it somewhere in WhatsApp or Messenger or whatever group you have. This is the one simplest way to share the location. But instead of that, I want to create the marker and then share the location via marker. So the thing is, I want to implement the click event on the map. So in order to do that, map dot on click event, and then it will return the function with there are lots of different codes, so maybe I'll explain what else it can give. So maybe if I do the console log, so E and also lat and long field. So you will get what you'll see what I'll get from this function. So now if I click on any map, so let me open the console as well. So if I, for example, if I click on this point, so it's giving me some kind of event, and then it's also giving me latitude and longitude in this event. So I have this lat and long field, and inside this is dictionary, and then I have lat and long field. So this represent the coordinate of each point, so wherever I click, right? So it's different. Okay, so that's how you get the latitude and longitude. And maybe I can simply remove this line, and then I can add that latitude and longitude as a marker in a map. Maybe I can write var variable marker, and yeah, that's all. So if I click this point, so I'll get the marker on that particular point, right? So that's how you get the like point. But of course, if you want to get the pop-up of this particular marker, then it's nothing right now. And then currently whenever I click on the marker, then it's just adding another marker on the same area again and again. You can see it in the console as well, right? So in order to like prevent those things, so I can like add the bind pop up, and then maybe I can add like uh, these things in S3, which is uh, heading 3. I can write the uh, HTML code, and of course, sorry. And after that, maybe I can add another thing like the latitude and then the longitude value with the P statement. And after that, if I save it, and then maybe it's just the bind pop-up, and then by default it should open pop-up. That will like do the rest of the things. For example, if I click on here, then it give me the my location, latitude and longitude value. Sorry, I forgot to close this, so maybe it will look nicer now. Okay, so now I got my location value, right? So in order to like add the actual our Google Map open in Google Map button, so let me get that code and then copy and paste it here. Okay, so it's latitude, and maybe I can add this. So the URL is, this is the URL of the Google Map. So of course, if you want to share your location, then the URL is google.com/maps/source and API, and then query parameter. Your query will be latitude comma longitude, and then I want to open it in the new tab. That's why I wrote the target is blank, and then open in Google Maps button. So if I do it, then of course you will be able to see the like your location and open in Google Maps button. So if I open it, then it will open the same point in the Google Maps. And of course, using Google Map also, you can simply share your location, copy link, and then or share it to Facebook, uh, Twitter, or Gmail. And yeah, so either share that link or share completely this link. So the one problem with this app is, for example, if I add the marker over here, of course my coordinate changes. That's not the problem. I mean, I just want to like recenter my map to the wherever I click. So in order to do that, so simply reset the center of map to point. I want to do this. So in order to do that, I can use map.fly to and then lat and long value. And I don't want the zoom level, because the zoom level, we can say the zoom level of the like the default value. For example, if I click here, then my map zoom in here, and then if I click back here, and my zoom pop up here. And simply to share your location, of course, if you have some host, then you can simply copy the URL and share the location. Otherwise, go to Google Map and then simply either share this location or share this link, right? So that's how you can share the location. Of course, very minor issue. So, and the thing you can improve is like the cursor. The map cursor should be cross here, so that by default it was the pen, but now you get the plus point, so that the user will know, oh, it means we need to add the point somewhere else, right? So yeah, this is really easy. So in this way you can simply implement the location sharing app in Leaflet. Of course, if you enjoy this, maybe there are like other options as well. For example, I found this URL, Leaflet location share, and then it's also really nice app. So you can simply use this code to build some similar feature. For example, this is my map, and then if you want to like share some sort of location, then simply you need to click on this link and click on this button, and after that you can write your message, and then you can get the URL. So simply copy it, and then if I, for example, if I open it in new tab, so it will, sorry, I feel like I forgot to copy this URL. Okay, simply copy this, and then if I simply paste it here, so you will get the write your message, some the same text whatever you want to share, and then the location of that marker. So yeah, this is also looks good. And one more thing I would like to implement here is, if you want to share your own location uh, instead of like moving your map to the current location, so you can implement and the button showing share your location button, and by clicking on that button, the map should zoom into your particular location using GPS, and then you can share that location. Okay, in order to do that, so the thing is like you need to add another plugin. So the plugin name is yal.control.locate.pin.js. So simply you need to add this line of code. Of course, it's another plugin, it's available from CDN link. And after that, simply you need to add this line, so which is yal control.locate.add to map. So if you did it correctly, then you will get some kind of button over here, and then if you click on this button, it might ask for the permission first time, and then it will zoom it into the your particular location. And of course you can like, if you click on this point, it says that you are within 11 meter from this point, right? So now you can simply click here, and then you can simply send the location either using this link, or opening it to the Google Map and then simply sharing it, right? So it's quite easy. So yeah, so that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.